Welcome to this YouTube channel English Learners. I hope all of you good. Let's start.
What is your name?
My name is Salada.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
In which class do you study?
I study in 12th class.
Are you a science or an art student? I am an art student. How many brothers have you? I have 3 brothers. How many sisters are you?
We are 2 sisters.
How do you pass your evening?
I go to the playground to play with friends.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do. Who is your fast friend?
Who is your fast friend? What is your father?
He works in a private concern.
What is your mother?
She is a housewife.
Do you help your mother in household work?
I do. My mother has taught me everything.
Can you cook?
Certainly, I cook a whole meal when mother is not well.
That's a good.